Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 25, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column B, 4th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in the two cells. Column D, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column B, on 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, and then column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. 4th grade, only 1 numbers are remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in another two cells. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column D, only 1 numbers are remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Seventh grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 8th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 5. We will confirm later. 8th grade, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column J, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Tenth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4, 6. Column E, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in any other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 6, 9. Column H, column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 9. Column I and 5th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 4th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 4th row we already have 6. So 6 can't come this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row only 1 numbers are remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second grade, 6 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. Column F, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row and third row we have 2. Column G also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F and 4th row we have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th row we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. Third row we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second grade only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, column G we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column G we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 7th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column G 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 5th row we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Column B we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th row only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Second row 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column H we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 9. 5th row and 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 6th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6. 5th row we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 7th row we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here, then only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Fifth row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. Fourth grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Fifth row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.